Liza, ikaw, bakit ang asawa mo? Bakit si Senador mo pumayag?
Again, kasi mabait, matalino, pogi, sexy. What else? He's a good guy. He's a good guy. And I think it's his time, you know? I mean, honestly, if we had our way, why would you enter politics? Like, you're already comfortable. So it's really to serve. When he says public service, he really wants to serve.
Now, mga taong nagmamasid sa ating pag-uusap, Liza, ang unang katanungan ay, who are you? You know, if I were to phrase that using my podcast, who are you when no one is watching?
I'm just chill. I'm chill. I'm a lawyer. I like teaching. I like staying out of the limelight, like my son.
Saan ka nagtuturo, Liza?
Me, I taught in PLM, FEU, where else? Northwestern, in Ilocos, MMSU, St. Louis in Baguio. That was my last. That was my last.
Anong itinuturo mo?
Law. Tinuturo ko yung same class first year until they graduate. And then I help them in the bar. And it's actually more for me because I get nervous and all that. And I've been teaching for 20 years, so I tell them, I just say, okay, my salary, we'll just use it for the bar, but just give me Friday 3 hours. So, you know, let's say I go to Baguio every Friday, 3 hours, sunod yan. And I don't teach. I don't choose the subject. So, you know, because if you teach the same thing over and over again, it's corny, right? So, it's also my way of being abreast with the law, right?
Anong ibig sabihin na ang iyong sweldo ay napupunta sa bar exams?
A professor gets X amount, right? So I don't accept it, and I just tell them, just make it puhunan until the 4th year, and then my students will take the bar, right? When they take the bar...
Kung ano pangangailangan nila, napupunta doon yung...
I'll give an example, like in Northwestern, so it was the 4th year, then they took the bar. So the bar was here in UST, so I transported everyone, got them a nice hotel, asked Ateneo to brief them. You know, the bar tips. I mean, these are people that, you know, can't really afford. And after the that's 4 Sundays at the bar. The second Sunday, I said, oh, how was it? Okay naman, ma'am. Galing. Why? Why is your face like that? They didn't have money for the Xeroxing of the bar tips. Can you imagine? I mean, here you are giving them breakfast, lunch, dinner, and night, but I totally forgot that they need money for Xeroxing. And it's mahal, So the next Sunday, may Xerox machine na. So little things like that, you know, you learn.
Vinny.
He called me, Valentine's, he called me at 6 o'clock and he goes, hey, I have a brilliant idea. Since the SMNI interviews the next day, why don't we check in? We wanted to go to the Japanese, but when I called, they said, puno na, because it's Valentine's. I said, okay, we'll just do it in the room. And then they called 5 minutes later and said, Ma'am, actually na bakante na. I said, wow, there's only one private room in Inamura. And then they go, at ma'am, nakakatawa yung nag-cancel, si Sandro Marcos. Like, oh boy, the world has changed. We're now dependent on my...